Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Stone Vanguard Wukong skin. This guide will walk you through the steps to add this fantastic cosmetic to your collection. We'll cover the primary methods of acquisition, ensuring you have all the information needed to secure this unique look for your favorite champion. Get ready to enhance your gameplay experience with stunning new visuals and animations. There are typically two main ways to acquire the Stone Vanguard Wukong skin. First, it frequently becomes available during special in-game events, which are announced well in advance. Second, you might find it in the rotating in-game store, where it can be purchased directly. Keeping an eye on official game news is crucial to catch its return. When the skin is part of an event, you'll need to participate actively. This usually involves completing various daily missions or achieving certain in-game milestones. As you progress, you'll earn event-exclusive currency. Accumulate enough of this special currency, and you can then exchange it directly for the Stone Vanguard Wukong skin within the event shop. If you prefer a direct approach, the Stone Vanguard Wukong skin can sometimes be purchased using premium in-game currency. These direct purchase opportunities are often for a limited time, so it's wise to save your currency. Always double-check the official game client or website for current availability and pricing details. Being prepared ensures you won't miss out on this fantastic skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.